Wow! This gorgeous 2019 Toyota Camry XSE is absolutely fully loaded, beautifully combined with wind chill pearl midnight black metallic and black leather interior. Stunningly and cosmetically customized, modified with racing stripes, body kit, bumper lip splitter, rear lip diffuser, rear trunk adjustable carbon fiber spoiler wing, side skirts, adjustable front bumper lip splitter struts, gloss black with red accents wheels and 4 brand new Run Flat Bridgestone tires, racing carbon fiber LED steering wheel, LED tail lights and trunk startup animation lights, and much more. Very well kept as showroom car which still smells like a new car, and it has been driven only 24,426 miles.